Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public Roblox game. First, download and install Roblox Studio, which is completely free. Once installed, open Studio and choose a template or begin with a blank canvas. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Understanding the Explorer and Properties windows is key. This initial setup is crucial for building any successful game on the platform, setting the stage for your creative journey. Now, let's dive into building your game world. Roblox Studio offers powerful tools to sculpt terrain, place objects, and construct intricate environments. To bring your game to life, you'll use the Lua programming language to add interactive elements and define game mechanics. Don't forget to leverage the Toolbox, a vast library where you can discover thousands of free models, scripts, and sounds to enhance your creation and save development time. Before going public, rigorous testing is essential. Playtest your game extensively within Studio, ideally with friends, to identify and fix any bugs or glitches. If you wish to monetize your creation, you can implement game passes or developer products, allowing players to purchase unique items or abilities with Robux. Always ensure your game complies with Roblox's community standards and terms of service to maintain a positive and safe environment for everyone. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. In Roblox Studio, navigate to File and select Publish to Roblox to upload your game to the platform. Crucially, you must then go into your game's settings and change its privacy to public so others can find and play it. Once published, share your game link widely and promote it across social media to attract a large and engaged player base. Congratulations, your game is now live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.